Hi ladies, it's Trisha, and I just want to share a quick video with you and a bit of a moan. The video is actually on the birdhouse that Fiona kindly gave me in the very generous rack that she sent me. So I've altered it already because I was desperate to get my hands on it. So I hope you like what I've done with it. So here it is. And of course I've made it shabby chic. So let me tell you what I did. Okay, so I painted it mostly pink, but I did actually paint the roof cream, and I have actually put it onto a small stand. So what I'll do is I'll start at the top. So I painted the roof cream, and then I just covered it in these Wild Orchid Craft blossoms in the pink and the cream, these ones. And I've been hoarding these for a while, and I thought, well, what is the point of hoarding them? I've got to use them. So I did a row of the pink, then a row of the cream, then pink, cream, pink. And then I actually glimmer mist them as well. Not sure if that's going to pick it up. Yeah, maybe. And I just love the roof. Absolutely love it. I think it looks really cute. Okay, so then I painted the body of it this pink, and I added this lace, which is so pretty, which Fiona sent me in the rack as well. So it is just so cute, and it's got these little sequin flowers on. And then I added some pearl trim around the top, and then I added some feathers, which I'm going to have a moan about, but I'll do that after I finish showing you. So around the bottom I added just some cream lace, some bead trim, and some tiny cream bead trim in there as well. So I made this base for it, and the actual bottom of the base, I wanted it to look like Fiona's shabby chic flower that she makes. I've got one here. I made this after following Fiona's tutorial on these, and I wanted the base to look like that. So I added the lace and the small bead trim coming out all the way around, and then I put these cream flowers, they're little satin flowers, all the way around. So I don't think it's too far off it. It does actually look quite like it. I also put, let me see if I can get this to show, seam binding round the base and some pale pink ribbon tied up it. Okay, so that's my birdhouse, and this is going to be my Fiona birdhouse because she gave me it. So I'm going to call this my Fiona birdhouse, and it is very shabby chic and I absolutely love it, apart from the feathers. So I'm going to have a moan about these feathers, and I'm going to explain why. So on my way home from work today, I was walking past a market stall, and it said they had these bags of feathers, but they were in a paper bag so you couldn't see them, and on the front it said it was marabou feathers. Now I only have these marabou feathers, and to me that's a marabou feather. That's what a marabou feather looks like for me. So when I wanted pink, obviously, so I only bought one packet and I bought the pink. So when I got home, I opened the packet. You're going to laugh. I'm just going to put them in my hand first before I show you them. When I opened the packet, that's what was in there. Well, as you can imagine, I was disappointed. Very disappointed. And they kind of have a little bit of what this looks like. But then they have lots of, like, well, let me pull it apart. Look. It's just full of these clumps. So I really had to pull these apart and comb them and spread them out and pull off all the rubbish bits just to get anything that resembled a decent feather like this. But I can tell you it took some work. It really did take some work. I mean, just look at these. I mean, they are just all matted together. So I won't be buying those again. I'll be looking out for these ones. So anyway, that's my rant over. I really hope you like my birdhouse, and like I say, this is my Fiona birdhouse because she gave it to me, and I've used a few things that she gave to me on it. So it was inspired by her, and well, I really hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.